Alright, hi everyone, hi YouTube. This is my first YouTube video, so this is exciting. We'll see how this works out. I did do some of the cooking ahead of time so that you're not sitting here watching chicken and pasta cook, because that is not very exciting. So I know you can't see my face right now unless I bend over. But the most important part is that you're going to see the food. So I'm going to be cooking something with Diplicious Dip. If you've never heard of Diplicious, there's a company that sells dips and spreads and coffees and all sorts of other stuff. We actually have a brownie batter mix coming up this month. So I am going to be using the Diplicious hickory bacon and onion dip. Don't know how well you can see that. It just doesn't seem to be coming in very well in my camera. Oh, and I don't know how to adjust my camera right now. So that is what I'm going to be using. I have boneless chicken and linguine pasta. So I cook the chicken ahead of time, make sure that of course it's not pink, and cook the pasta ahead of time. And what you do is you put the chicken and the pasta and the dip into the skillet. And a little butter. It says about a tablespoon or two of butter, so I'm not measuring, I'm just putting in a little bit. And then the dip says a tablespoon, if more, however you like the taste or however much pasta you even put in there. It's going to vary too on how you use it. You don't have to use the whole packet of dip, excuse me. So I'm just guessing, I'm just tossing that in. I mean, I like a lot of flavor in my food, so just putting that in there. I might even put more in after I stir it and see how it looks. And it says to saute that in the pan. And you can add, I don't have any, but you could add parsley if you wanted to for some extra coloring or anything if you wanted. But it really won't add much than that to it. I'm actually probably going to add more of my seasoning because it just doesn't look like with the amount of pasta that I have enough. So it looks like I'm going to use the whole thing, which it will just vary on how much you're making or how much you like everything to taste. So Diplicious dips are for more than just dips. They can be used in any type of a recipe that you want to use them in. You can be very creative. It's a nice thing about Diplicious. You can be a creative cook and just start using them in anything you want to. Pasta, mix them with chicken. There's so many different savory dips that you could use. And we have the sweet dips, which you can make into desserts. We have a bagel dip or a bagel spread, and I used that and made it was a strawberry, and I made a strawberry cake, and then instead of frosting it with any other kind of frosting, I just used the bagel spread. And I actually think it tastes better because the frosting wasn't as sweet as what you would buy in the store. So I thought it was actually much better. So that is pretty much, this is all you do. I will show you here what it looks like in a minute after it stirred a little bit more. Chicken on the top here. there you go. There is what it looks like when it's all done. I mean, it's not real colorful. You could probably add anything else you wanted, maybe some hot pepper flakes if you wanted to make it red. I said parsley, maybe onions, anything, any vegetables you wanted to it, you could add to it. It really is just whatever you want to do with it. So you can be creative. But there is one of the ideas of what to do with delicious dips. So hopefully you will enjoy this and try this on your own. I'll be trying to do some more videos every now and then when I make stuff and showing you what I'm making so you can see what you can do with Diplicious products. Have a good day.